Monetizing through TikTok ads can be a lucrative opportunity for content creators and businesses. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you understand how to profit from TikTok ads. TikTok Creator Fund. Eligibility. To join the TikTok Creator Fund, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and have garnered at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Earnings. The amount you earn depends on various factors like video views, engagement rates, and the region of your audience. Application. You can apply directly through the TikTok app by navigating to your settings and selecting the Creator Fund option. Brand partnerships and sponsored content. Collaborations. Partner with brands to create sponsored content. Brands pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Negotiation. Rates can vary widely based on your follower count, engagement rate, and niche. Micro-influencers can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per post, while top influencers can command thousands. Platforms. Use platforms like TikTok's Creator Marketplace, Aspireek, or Upfluence to connect with brands. TikTok Ads Manager. Self-serve platform. TikTok Ads Manager allows businesses to create and manage their ad campaigns. You can use this platform if you have a product or service to promote. Ad formats. TikTok offers various ad formats including in-feed ads, branded hashtag challenges, branded effects, and top view ads. Budgeting. You can set your own budget, starting as low as $50 per campaign. The cost will depend on your targeting options and ad format. Affiliate marketing. Promote products. Use affiliate links to promote products in your TikTok videos. You earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Programs. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareSale, or CJ Affiliate to find products that align with your content. Selling your own products or services. E-commerce integration. TikTok has integrated with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, allowing you to sell products directly through your TikTok profile. Merchandise. If you have a loyal following, consider selling your own merchandise. Use TikTok to promote your products and drive traffic to your online store. Live gifts and donations. Live streaming. Go live on TikTok and interact with your audience in real time. Viewers can send you virtual gifts that can be converted into diamonds and then into real money. Donations. Some creators also receive direct donations from their followers during live streams. TikTok Pulse. Revenue sharing. TikTok Pulse is a revenue sharing program where creators earn a share of the ad revenue generated from their content. This is typically available to top creators and media publishers. Tips for maximizing earnings. Consistency. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Quality content. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience.